Hello viewers, hope you all are doing well. So our today topic is why YouTube channel name is important and what is a channel name. So let's get started. Channel name. What is a channel name? So channel name is the official name of your channel on YouTube. There are several different types of a channel name, including a person first and a last name that describe a channel. Why is your channel name important? Your channel name's approach on your videos, your channel page, and in your YouTube videos search result overall. Also, your channel name is a big part of how people will define and understand what your channel is about. So, it's important that your name accurately represent your brand. Best practices. Choose a channel name category. The first step is to decide on the channel name category you are going to go with. In general, channel name fall into four main categories. First, name, for example Taylor Swift. Brand, for example Nike. Category, for example class game room. This respected epic rap battle. Using your first and last name as your channel name, the easiest and most straightforward approach, and it works practically well if you plan on being the face of your channel. For example, etc is an entrepreneur with a strong personal brand, so when she created her channel she simply named it. Hope that all you are understand what I said. Thanks for watching.